Vintage fan collector 1939. Here's a 1970s or 1980s Galaxy 12-inch oscillating table fan. I think it's a model 2150. I don't know. Uh, it. I got this for Christmas with a bunch of other vintage things. Um, and it's all I had to do to it was the basic cleaning and servicing of it. And this is just overall a great fan. Um, and it runs really smooth. It runs really smooth. Here it is, a good look at it. Your buttons right here. Everything on it works. All the way up to the oscillation. Just a great fan. Uh, let's get into the video. Here's the left side view of the fan. You can tell that it doesn't have a handle. This is one of the earlier models. Here's the right side. Here is the back. As you can tell, this thing doesn't have a handle on it. Here's the tag on the bottom. $120 60 hertz, 0.43 amp. We are getting 119.8 volts on the kilowatt meter at 60 hertz. Let's go ahead and turn this fan on low speed. Very, very powerful, even on low speed. It is super powerful, even on this low speed. It's excellent fan. 0.237 amps. It's got an oscillation. Scoot the fan up a little bit. Zero 0.237 amps. Medium. All right. The amperage on medium is 0.292 amps. I know there was no sound for that part of the video. I was just having to blow my nose. Uh, my nose is all stopped up. Let's go to high. 0.368 amps. Let's go to stationary. That is a long spin down for a fan like this. This fan must have some healthy bearings. Like, share, comment, and subscribe to Vintage Fan Collector 1939. Bye.